Operation Thunderbolt Strikes is a county agency exercise that we've invited multiple agencies in the county, our regional, our state, and federal partners to participate in. This exercise was dreamed up to look at a complex coordinated attack. We have well over 225 players in this exercise. It's been about a year and a half in the design process for this. We are executing it today to look at the several incidents that may have occurred in Fairfax County, terrorist type events, two simultaneous attacks that occur, how we manage that at the command and control, the incident command turning into a unified command. But we're really looking to test our policies, plans, and procedures. That's what's really key to any good government emergency response plan, and how we are prepared for it, how we have written plans and policies, what our procedures are, how we test them, whether they be through exercises or training and or functional exercises like this, where we bring the people into the room that have the roles and responsibilities. They test out those plans, policies, and procedures, and then we can identify any gaps that may be there, anything new that we have to do to change to make it better and enhance those plans so that we are prepared in case something like this does occur. It's going to be a phenomenal exercise. It's really going to learn a lot from it. Not only the county, but the region will be better off because of the exercise, because of our preparedness efforts, and the lessons learned that this exercise brings to us will last for years to come.